How are you all doing? Ralfy here, Ralfy Customs, quick vlog. Fucking hairdo. Come on, barbers, open up. So, let me spin you. Bit of a fucking glitch down. There you go. So, remember Jock's Yamaha? That's back for a few bits and bobs. A little bit of work making a number plate bracket and a couple of extra little mounts. Steve's rigid Sporster. Bottom rails are in. Plates are made up. Bottom rails in. Waiting on him to come and have a look. I'm going to message him after I've done this. I just want to check about the top rails before I carry on. Fair enough. Now look at these fucking old tools, antique tools, look. Wire gauges. Arco, Outlaw Edge was mentioning these. It's a standard wire gauge, so it shows you how thick your material is. This is 20 gauge. Just about goes on. 20 gauge. This one, fucking look at that beautiful old thing. It's got writing on there, I can't make out the brand name. I can't see it, it's Amusi, don't fucking know me. But again, lovely old thing. Wonder bar. The Blue Beauties up on the ramp, bless up. Fucking David Man living the dream. And we are fitting teeny weeny tiny little baby indicators, look. Christ on a fucking bike. And they're going to go in the fender struts. Just like that. Super. So, fucking hell. I've just fitted these in the rear of the fucking Blue Goddess. Look. These fucking indicators. I've not put the ballast resistor in, so they're not behaving themselves. But I'll try and get them flashing, see how fucking bright they are. And they're so tiny, it's like ridiculous. Oh, the camera's not really getting it, but fuck me. The proper fucking glare out. I can't look at that, it's burning my retina. How fucking small are they? Wow, let's turn it off. Go on, go. So, bit of a change. From the old Flash Gordons. That's what I took off. And that's what we've now got. Can you tell a difference? Wow, amazing. Amazing. So yeah, I'm going to chop this into the vlog because I've just done it and gone. I've actually stepped back to about here, like, had a look and went, fucking hell, I've got to put on my vlog. So there you go. Most importantly, well for me, I guess, is our Graham Sporster. It's a little extra work I did on one of his swing arms, look. But the video is up showing how these were made. These fuck off, look at that, for forward control mounts. Well pleased. Well done, all sorted. Back round, all in one go this time. So, wonderful fucking week, nice and steady. A little bit on my own, a little bit on some good people's fucking vehicles. And there you go, lots of love everyone. Check out that video of the forward controls on the rubber mount Sportster. Yeah? It's in my playlist, you'll see it there. See you again soon.